Okay guys, so I basically started my mini bike project and I bought a 40 by 40 by 3 millimeter square tubing. This is my supply. I have also a plate for the engine mount. This is where I cut stuff with my bandsaw. With this piece I basically will put here a 24 centimeter piece and here a 30 centimeter piece with a 45 on each end. My 3D model sketch. This is an Autodesk, but I don't have a subscription. I just always recreate a new email. There's the bodies, the other bodies, how the full thing will look like. That's basically how it's gonna look like. Okay guys, I'm still doing it and I put it the back, like hold, whatever you want to call it, and I actually did the wrong measurement. It happened to be I did each piece 37 centimeters with the angle, and I needed to do a 42. I don't know why, but I think I will keep this way. One, because I don't have a lot of metal left of 40 by 40, and it will give me 7 centimeters more workspace to put the engine. So the engine is like the height of the engine is 35 centimeters, and this will be 42. So you do the math, and it will be 70 centimeters of height difference, which will be good. I don't know. I think it would be great for me. And right now I'm making the rear part where I will be sitting. Also, don't forget to prep your metal, cause I did like a little piece where I prepped it, and the electro just flows to it. When I was using a non-prepped metal, it just wasn't really welding as well as with. So I did a really quick with the angle grinder, a very old one. As you can see, it's shiny. It will, I don't know why, but it will be good. It just flows better. It's like with TIG, you gotta prep your metal before you weld. So I think I will do it with a stick. First thing because I can, and second thing I think I will have a better penetration and a better looking weld, even though if I just tack weld it first. Also I'm not really trusting this because I mean it's a portable one, and portable versions are like accurate enough for some kind of projects. I want my mini bike to be as accurate as possible to the measurements, even though I did this from about 7 centimeters of a height. It doesn't really matter because what I'm doing right now is I'm doing this piece, and yes, basically I'm also using this digital T-bevel. Basically, like I join it together, then I clamp it with this. As you can see, I got some burn marks because yes, electrodes make a lot of sparks. That's basically it. I welded it. Then also another problem that I found on the way is that I don't really know how to put these pieces or like the legs for the neck head, cause I don't really know, because I want to make it as accurate as possible, so I don't really know how to put it. But I was thinking if I will make the back seat and everything, I will be able to roughly measurement where everything will be at what angle, even though in my sketch is like a 17 degree angle. I did miscalculated the height of it, of this, by 7 centimeters. I could just add another maybe 10 centimeters extra and then cut it with an angle grinder, but I really want to make it as accurate as possible because it's my first time, or it's not my first time of welding, but I am a very beginner welder. So before right now I just tack welded. This I just did a quick pass. I just tack welded and the left pieces of this kind of piece. Oh, it's kind of wet. It's not good. Steel isn't supposed to be wet. Okay, so basically I will use these leftover pieces to kind of just practice some welding techniques, especially in these tight spots. I really bad tight spots. These three spots are easy. Also, I really don't know how to weld like this. If you like, like this, and then this is like the electrode goes down. I think it's a 2G position. I don't know. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know how to weld in this position, but that's basically it. I will do it really quickly. Okay guys, so I basically did it, and I forgot something very important, is that this is a 90 degree and it's supposed to be like a 17 or 16 or 15. So what I'm going to do, I'm somehow going to clamp it there. Like, there's enough space between, and also I didn't do it as good as possible, but at least it is about 5 millimeters of a bad welding. Well, I can actually know why, cause I did this cutting with the angle, and my angles are right, but because of it, it's a little bit off by a half centimeter. As you can see right here, even 7 millimeters. So it's going to bring us about 4 to 5 millimeters of, not a 5, but like a 4.5 millimeters of a really not good. Even though I will put here a plate where I will be sitting, and then like a seat, it's still, I don't really like it, cause I should have thought about this. But as you go, you learn, and I'm saying this is my first project. Nothing is perfect. I cannot make it perfect from the second start, from the first start. Also, look at this beautiful weld. I think it was a little bit cold because you can feel it, and you know it hasn't like fully locked, not locked in, like fully penetrated. Also, I don't like this bump. You see my weld? This is the